Hello, this is Architect Maran on behalf of Maran Design Coimbatore. On the continuing the series of what not to talk to an architect, in this particular episode we will talk about the placements of spaces in a particular building. In particular to residential design, house design. What happens many a times is that the client would insist on certain rooms to be in some directions. That is not really needed, because an architect would also think about climatic condition of that particular locality, particular area in which the site is located, and design the building. In general, there are some thumb rules. For example, having less openings in certain directions would facilitate the minimal heat generated inside the building. And for example, a bedroom need not be on the western side of a building in a hotter place, because after the evening, after the noon time, the sun would directly be falling onto the western wall of the building. Not western, means it's a southwestern actually. So when your bedroom is on the western side or southwestern corner, what happens is the room gets heated up. But that itself is a controversial subject, because what happens in Coimbatore and what happens in Ooty is a different game altogether. Because in Ooty itself, again, we are talking about two different climates, one summer and one winter. So during winter, the building might be very comfortable to live, because the building would gain heat because of its orientation in such a way. And the same thing might also prove to be negative during the summers. It would become an inhabitable space. So there are some justified ways in which the architect would come to conclusions. So rely on that particular aspects of orientation to your architect. He knows definitely better than what you know about buildings. And if you are really bothered about small corrections and have some valid points on why, maybe because from your kitchen you want a direct window to be opening towards the entrance, so somebody ringing on the doorbell, the person inside the house while cooking will be able to see the person before coming to the main door and open and spending some time. So that would save some amount of time in the due course of living in that building. So you can ask certain things, sensible elements. But before you talk to your architect about all these things, it's better you yourself study the credibility of that particular idea and then better communicate to your architect.